Syensqo is a chemical company. We are a supplier of raw material for the coil and winding industry. We are bringing specialty polymers. We bring value on performance, making the solution more reliable, and also simplify the technology to be adopted. CWIEME is bringing value to the business. CWIEME is a platform to connect and shrink distance through the different players in the supply chain. Syensqo has been exhibiting at CWIEME for many years, and I can share that our exhibition presence has been improved and changed over time. CWIEME is a place to connect and tight interaction with the entire supply chain. So it started from, let's say, the raw material supplier view and then engaging through the supply chain. So good to be on board and collect and share insights on how the market is growing.